Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's often met with either intrigue or skepticism: parapsychology. For those unfamiliar, parapsychology is the study of psychic phenomena like telepathy, clairvoyance, and precognition. In our chat today, we'll explore the concepts of replication and meta-analysis in this field and why they're so important in understanding the scientific validity behind these phenomena. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's get into it. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Parapsychology has its roots going back to the late 19th century. Think about it way back when people were investigating claims around mediums and spiritual practices. There were some pioneering figures, like the Society for Psychical Research, which was founded in Britain in 1882. Fun fact, some researchers began conducting experimental trials, like the card guessing games we're familiar with today. Fast forward to the 1930s, J.B. Rhine at Duke University started to use more formal statistical methods to study these phenomena, and that really propelled parapsychology into the realm of scientific inquiry. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Statistics play a huge role in evaluating the credibility of psychic phenomena. But, oh boy, has there been a lot of debate about how these should be applied. Some critics argue that the statistical methods used in parapsychology can be questionable. Many of them point fingers at poor experimental design or even potential fraud. It's like a game of chess, where knowing the right moves can make or break the game. One of the coolest parts of parapsychology is the Ganzfeld procedure. What's that, you ask? Well, this interesting technique was designed to create a sort of sensory-free environment to enhance psychic abilities. Imagine being somewhere super quiet while wearing headphones with white noise and having a red light to stare at. Sounds relaxing, right? In these experiments, one person tries to send a mental image to another, and researchers analyze how accurately the receiver describes it. Now, here's where things get heated. There was a major debate between two heavyweights in the field, Ray Hyman and Charles Honorton, on the findings from multiple Ganzfeld experiments. Hyman was skeptical, while Honorton championed the results as evidence for psychic abilities. The discussions between them were intense and really made waves. Basically, Hyman said, "Hold up. We need to take a closer look at how meaningful these results really are," while Honorton argued that they showed real promise. It's like watching a competitive tennis match, each volley tipping the odds back and forth. So after those debates, researchers realized that repetition is key. In science, we call this replication, and it's crucial to confirming results. But here's the catch. Replicating results in parapsychology has been quite a challenge. Many experiments fail to produce similar outcomes when repeated. Why? Because finding the right conditions and sufficient power to detect these elusive psychic effects isn't as easy as it seems. It's kind of like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. Sometimes it just doesn't happen. All right, let's talk about techniques researchers use to evaluate these findings. One method is called vote counting, where you count how many studies find significant results versus those that don't. But there's a downside. Vote counting can be pretty misleading. As researchers like Hedges and Olkin pointed out, relying on just a head count can lead you to the wrong conclusions. Instead, meta-analysis helps by aggregating the results of many studies to get a clearer picture. It's like combining pieces of a puzzle to see the full image rather than looking at them one by one. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Parapsychology is still a hotly debated field, and while many advancements have been made, the need for more rigorous and transparent research methods is crucial. Scientists are still uncovering more about both human consciousness and these phenomena, making it an exciting area to watch. To wrap things up, we've seen how replication and meta-analysis aren't just academic jargon. They're fundamental concepts that help bridge the gap between skepticism and belief in parapsychology. Understanding these can change the way we think about these mysterious abilities and their validity. Keep an open mind, folks, because science is constantly evolving. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this discussion interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and leave your thoughts or questions down in the comments. I'm super excited to see where the journey of parapsychology takes us next. Until next time, stay curious.